Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In today's newspaper of Thursday, June 1st, 2023. In this additional with extra puzzles, I've already solved two puzzles: 1-star Sudoku and 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle. You are interested in the binary puzzle. Number 6523. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Alright. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And an O between an O. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. And double one, here no, there no. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.